Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on portable hotspot in your Tecno 19 Camon. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Tecno 19 Camon and you are wondering how to turn on portable hotspot. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Tecno 19 Camon settings section. After click over settings section, you need to click here home, hotspot and tweeting. After click over hotspot and tweeting, you can see something say personal hotspot turn on. If we turn on this, my phone immediately going to be turn on personal hotspot. My friends and family, they can get or they can use Wi-Fi from my phone. But here's the things you might be looking for. What is the Wi-Fi password or what is the name? So that's things you will get here. Home setting, just simply click over home setting and then you're going to see the SSD name. This is the Tecno Camon 19 name. You can easily change the name you want, and then if you want to change the password, you can easily delete this default password and type your favorite password and make it here okay, and then click this check mark. Now from your phone, your friends and family, they can get Wi-Fi from your phone. Also you can see in your status bar there is a Wi-Fi hotspot icon. What that means your phone portable hotspot is turned on. Now you might be looking for how to turn off portable hotspot. In order to do that, you need to click in your Tecno 19 setting and then you need to go again here hotspot and tweeting, and then you're going to find here personal hotspot. Just simply turn this off and immediately your phone Wi-Fi hotspot going to be turned off. Also there is another quick shortcut way to turn on or off portable hotspot. If you decide to turn on portable hotspot, you can easily swipe down just like this and then you're going to see skin appear just like this, and here is the hotspot. If you click that, immediately your phone going to be turned on portable hotspot. You can see in the status bar Wi-Fi portable hotspot icon is appear. If you decide to turn off portable hotspot, you can again go swipe down just like this and you can easily turn this off. So within this simple way, you can easily turn on or off portable hotspot in your Tecno 19 Camon. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.